Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get access right now to Seedance 2.0 from anywhere in the world and without the use of a VPN. Seedance 2.0 is the extremely high quality Hollywood style cinematic AI video generator created by ByteDance, who are the overarching company responsible for the app TikTok. So if you want to see how to do that, stick around and I'll show you right now. So basically what happens with the AI video generator landscape at the moment is a brand new model comes out about every 2 or 3 months that is much more highly advanced than the previous models. Everybody wants to get access to it, and usually it's really hard to get early access. But what we see emerging are these aggregator websites that get API access to those generators, and then integrated into their website, you have access to all the available models. I've spoken previously on this channel about OpenArt AI, and this is a new one that's come across my desk called To AI, and it looks like they are the first aggregator website that has integrated Seedance 2.0 into their AI video generation platform. So if you want to get started straight away creating videos with Seedance 2.0, you can get a free trial which will allow you to create some videos for free. Then if you want to create a lot of videos, you will need to use one of their plans. But what I've noticed is To Use AI is actually a lot cheaper per video generation than a lot of the other AI video aggregate services. So you can see here the available models currently are Seedance 1.5 Pro, Seedance 2.0. We've also got Sora 2, VO3, Kling AI, Runway Gen 4, and like all the major high quality ones, but they're actually cheaper per video generation than quite a lot of the other websites that I've already had a look at. To get your free trial, just use the link that I've left in the description of this video and in the pinned comment, and you can use that to create a free account right away and get started with Seedance 2.0. Now, at the moment, the Seedance 2.0 servers are under quite a lot of pressure because there are so many people trying to create content. So you can expect longer times to create these videos. Sometimes it says up to 2 hours, which is crazy, but I remember this is exactly how it was when Sora 2 came out. These times will obviously drop off as the days and the weeks go by. But all you have to do to create your own videos once you have your own account is just go to the To Use AI website, select up here AI Video Generator, and then from here you can select text to video. Once you are inside the text to video app, you just select the model here, select Seedance 2.0, and then you are free to pop in your prompt there. You can create videos up to 15 seconds long. You can create them in landscape or portrait mode. So that's how you get access right now to Seedance 2.0. If you found this content valuable, make sure you do subscribe to the Studio Hacks YouTube channel. Drop in a comment if you've got any questions, and I'll get back to each and every one of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.